If you need to reset your password on osCommerce, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Go to the login page. Navigate to the login page of your osCommerce site. This is typically found at the top right corner of the homepage. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Look for the Forgot Password link on the login page. Click on this link to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your account. Make sure to input the correct email to receive the reset instructions. Step 4. Check your email. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use sRock to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Click the link in the email and follow the instructions provided to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password for security. Once you have successfully reset your password, you can log into your osCommerce account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.